So once again, we have two sides. We have a front and we have a back, okay? So the way to assemble this would be to put down a side. I'm gonna put my front on. This is the back. Here, throw me that sanding block. Thank you. I'm gonna take my sanding block and sand off all those fuzzy corners. They're called splinters. I like them in my fingers, I just don't like them on my wood. Now remember, the grain direction is supposed to go side to side, because if it was going to expand and contract and it went front to back, the drawer would lock itself in place and would not exit the case. Now, I know that doesn't matter here because we're using plywood and drawer slides and all that stuff. But when Great Grandpa did this stuff and he was fitting a real 4-piece drawer into a solid wood case, the drawer bottom material would be running this way. So if we look at this, this is the front, and that's how that works. If it was going this way and expanded, contracted, the drawer might lock itself into the case. So now we've got our drawer, we're ready to go. I'm just gonna now sand the inside of the drawer, take care of some edges, and assemble this thing.